What's up, guys? Getting ready to do some painting on this drag body. You may or may not be able to hear me very well, but I'm gonna do. I don't have a ton of experience painting exterior, and hopefully some people can help out here, but I am going to be painting the black windows first. I'm gonna let that dry, and then I will use some liquid mask, which I haven't used very much, to liquid mask everything, and then I'll cut out the windows, peel the liquid mask off, and do the rest of my paint job. We'll see how that turns out. I'm gonna see if I can position this sucker where you guys can see what's going on. So we're done with our heater. Got the body in the booth. I think we'll probably put it on something. Man, it actually looks so good, gloss black, that maybe I'll put the liquid mask around it and cut out the windows, peel that off, and spray that silver and just have a black car with silver windows. But it looks pretty slick. We'll let it dry. Actually use the heater to dry it. I only use the paint booth to evacuate the paint fumes. So this is the setup here. But this is a Hairy Canary 3D printed body with Viper mounts in it. We're gonna let it dry. And I mean, hasn't had any work done to it. I haven't sanded it. I'm literally just doing stuff to learn the ropes. So we'll see. I don't know if you guys have used liquid mask, but it is like a latex type compound. You brush it on, let it dry, and then you you basically cut lines into it, or cut your shapes and whatnot, and from there you peel that off and it exposes the surfaces that you want to paint. So we're going to be trying it on Lexan later, and on this body here, which you can see, but a couple of our molds, some stuff that we've actually never made. This is a Corvette John was working on at one point, way long time ago. Obviously come a long way and able to do a lot more. Some of this stuff I don't even remember where it came from. I've had people send me stuff over the years, and this is a 917, pretty slick. But yeah, so we're gonna see how that goes. It's gonna take a while to dry, but I'll see if I can post progress pictures later. Until then, we'll see you guys on the next.